to $5 a day dividends into big time income. My name is John. I'm going to have you follow along with me on my journey, show you my portfolio, show you how small amounts every day can lead into possibly big time dividends. This is my portfolio that is on Snowball Analytics. I have 19 positions currently. I do $5 a day into 4 of my positions. I do $5 every few days, a couple of times a week into my Roth IRA, and $5 a day twice a week into my just regular investing, my regular growth portfolio that was on Stash. I'm moving it over to SoFi. Those are my positions. This is my dividend calendar. You can see everything I've received. And I'm going to take you to my Robinhood portfolio where I do have my $5 a day positions. These are my 4 positions that are in Robinhood. These are the ones that I do recurring investments in. You see there it says 724, $5 a day. There's 252 trading days in 2026. Even though there's 365 days in a year, the stock market is only open Monday through Friday and closed on holidays. So if you do a Google search, five times 365 is 1825. Divided by 252 is $7.24. That's what you're going to invest daily if you decide to take up $5 a day. $7.24, that's a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Just showing what small amounts can do. And this is my portfolio on Robinhood, the 4 positions that I have. They're all ETFs. 3 of them are going to be the high yielding ones. Just because I started my original positions with regular dividend stocks, but with the time frame I'm looking at, I'm getting close to retirement, so I need to accelerate things, play catch up. I don't know what your situation is. Your situation might not fit the type of investing that I have here, but I just want to illustrate how $5 a day, small amounts, can lead to bigger dividends. And this is my total portfolio, just showing you my cost basis, my gains, my market return complete, my market returns, total return, my dividend yield on cost, and my annual. What I like, my goal is to have $35,000 a year in dividends plus Social Security, because who knows what Social Security is going to be like in 10 years. And I'd rather not have to sell positions later on to cover my retirement expenses. My goal, my plan is to use dividend income for these 4 ETFs to basically provide my living expenses plus Social Security until the rest of my portfolio catches up. And once that happens, I will rely on Social Security less and less and less. I'll let the portfolio just keep building. And that's my plan. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, any thoughts, if you were considering dividend investing, if you were intimidated by it like I was, for years I was always brought up that investing in the market was scary, that I was going to lose my money, that it wasn't a good place to invest. Put your money in a savings account where it wasn't earning any sort of money at all. But I learned It's not as intimidating as everybody thinks it is. You invest, you watch your money compound, you watch your money grow, you make you try to make the smartest decisions you can, and hopefully you wind up better off than where you started from. Thank you again. Please comment. This is my first video, so bear with me for the getting used to speaking. I'm an introvert, so I'm not the best speaker. But if you have any questions, please respond in the comments. Tell me if you like the subject. If you'd like me to go in depth into my portfolio, give you portfolio updates, show you what's going on. Thank you, and have a great day.